Okay, very good. Let's talk about smart contracts and why are smart contracts important in the NFT world, okay? And they are quite important, you'll see. Smart contract is basically a piece of computer program that can execute a contractual agreement between two parties. And an NFT is a contractual agreement, right? Smart contracts can execute any contractual agreement or condition or function. They are a Turing complete they use Turing complete programming languages, meaning that they can execute conditional statements and conditional branching. Basically, these conditional statements and branching are used by programming languages with the if, then, else computer logic. But basically, smart contracts are autonomously executed, meaning that there is no need of a third-party intervention to execute and deploy and execute a smart contract, and this execution cannot really be stopped. Smart contracts are self-enforced, and the rules of the smart contract are hard-coded in the code of the smart contract. For example, a smart contract can work as an escrow for a settlement of a payment related to an NFT. And Alice, for example, can release the funds to Bob once Bob sends the NFT to Alice. And in a smart contract, this can be automatically executed. And people say that code is law in the blockchain world. So if you code a smart contract saying, okay, if anyone pays $10,000 for this NFT, then the NFT is automatically transferred to that person. That's a smart contract that is going to be self-executed. If someone pays the $10,000, automatically the ownership of the NFT is going to change according to what we have defined in the smart contract. And this can happen very easily, and you can do it with the smart contract platforms and marketplaces that we are going to take a look at it later. Smart contracts that we are talking about usually use the Ethereum blockchain, the Ethereum virtual machine. And although we can use other blockchains, as we said before, most of the smart contracts are really deployed on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, now some important characteristics of the of smart contracts. They are self-executed. They are Turing complete, meaning that can execute complex functions. Parties can remain pseudonymous or pseudo-anonymous. I never know how to say these words. Smart contracts are transparent and fully auditable, and smart contracts are immutable. So considering these characteristics, you can imagine that there are quite a lot of possibilities to the NFT market. It is possible, for example, to set up a percentage of royalties that the artist wants to be paid every time the NFT is sold. And this royalty payment can be coded in the smart contract, in the NFT smart contract, and will happen automatically in the future. Every time the NFT is sold, he is going to be paid the royalties. So the possibilities are really endless, and it's a really exciting world to see how smart contracts and NFTs are changing the digital art world.